house. So guys, so we gotta fix that. These nozzles. These nozzles are attached to the hood. Oh man. And the radar detector goes off. So what I noticed is my wireless microphone sets my radar detector off. Let's turn that off. Let's see if we get any spraying out here. It comes out everywhere, just not where it's supposed to be. We need to get this done just in case I have to drive this in the winter. This is ridiculous. How can they build something like this? I have no clue how to get them out. There it is. The hose is gone. So we gotta open this. For this, we have a tool. Not even open. Sometimes people just buy stuff to have it, right? I might be able to go in there and open these things. Let you look in here. This is the hose, so I gotta get that hose down far enough to connect it back. Actually, you probably have to disconnect it up here. You see that? And there's one missing. Come on, where did it go? Where is... I'll see if we have a replacement. And the replacement clip I put in here is basically too small, but it holds it up.